Welcome back, surf fans, to the 2018 Vans U.S. Open of Surfing. Round 1, Heat 7 in the lineup. M.McGillivray, J.Baker, P.Coffin, and T.Bisso. Chris Cote here with Strider Wasilewski.
There was a little more foam in that board, so we'll see if he gets it going. Look at him motorboating into this one.
Wow, look at that. So he got a 2-for-1 there, keeping two competitors off that wave. Fading left, opting for the right. And we got Parker here, looking like he's got some determination. Quick snap, another big jam on that inside section. Ferocity out of the gates from P.Coffin. Assertiveness there. Taking control of the lineup. Look at this, holding off his competitors on the takeoff.
So you can see them both. Guy going left. Nope, you're not getting that. And good. Looks right. Oh, Baker, I want this right too. So a little greedy. So he kind of comes away with not a great outside turn, but he held off the other competitors who could have capitalized on this wave and gotten higher scores. So throws a couple turns, and the finish was super strong right there. Really fast in transition. Comes out of that with speed, and that's what you want to see. That's going to be a point of difference. Watch this. Wing. A lot of speed. Leans over that front foot out of it with even more. And then,
whoa,
back at it. Boom, boom.
P.Coffin comes out swinging, gets a 6.5 for his first wave.
Outside, where the coach caddy is, telling him where to be, which is what we want to see. Here's a little replay. Caught himself a little corner. Quick snap. Throwing it up into the corner again, and then finds a little crumb to snap off again.
Main event. Some huge names already in the competitors area. You saw Yago Dora right behind Rosie. And here we go back into it. The action finally starting for T.Bisso. Two quick snaps. Guaranteed to be in second place at this point with that wave right there with 8 minutes, 35 seconds to go. So waiting a full 22 minutes to catch his first wave. Wild stuff, Strider. That's how he wakes up the judges and himself after a 22-minute lull in the action for Timothy.
Well, it was a quick click the first turn, right? Just kind of a transfer to get the speed down the line, and then you see that little fold. He comes up and really throws it up as vertical as he can in that tight little space. A little tiny bit off time, but nonetheless got 2 hits, slammed it away, put himself into second place out the back.
Here we go. J.Baker now getting involved. 2 quick snaps, so that way of a different look. Kind of punching him down the line. He was a little late to both turns, but I like the second snap, blasting the tail out a little bit.
Little replay right here. Gets up, springs into action, throws it up into the lip line, throws a tail out on the...
Things rolling on the inside. You see this mid-bank starting to work a little bit here. J.Baker now flipping on the inside section. Big snap. Could have a reward here on the inside. Had to fight for it, but a couple nice looking turns. Yeah, these are just some quick looks at what happened that last flurry. Oh, Bisso on his way back out, finding a gem. A little diamond in the rough here. 2 big turns on the outside section.
Sparky.
Yeah,
looking like a little Jack Russell Terrier right there after a ball. He was on fire. This one looks like Bisso. That looked like a replay of the other one that he had. Nice side rising and guys coming to the inside. Here he is with priority.
McGillivray rating a full 25 minutes to catch his first wave, and it is not a very good wave.
Oh, what were the handlebars on your first wave after 25 minutes?
Hungry, ravenous for something. 25 seconds to go. P.Coffin with priority. Do not make an error in judgment here, as it's going to be P.Coffin. Cutting left, and McGillivray had a shot. Here's how he did it from the start.
This is that wave we just finished up on the inside with the little blow tail. Getting that fin up above the lip like that. Solid surfing. So look at Baker just... Somebody's got to win, somebody's got to lose.
Coming up next, Marco Fernandez, Marcos Correa, Samuel Pupo, and Caius King for round 1, Heat 8. You're watching the 2018 Vans U.S. Open of Surfing. Stay tuned.